Today we're going to take a look at the Covideo Chrome extension and learn how to record and send a video both through the Chrome extension and, if you use Gmail, directly within your Gmail account. You have three options to pick from when recording a video through the extension. You can record your camera, screen, or both at the same time. Under the mic and camera settings, you can choose which camera and microphone you want to use for recording. If you click the three dots, there are a few more advanced settings that you can tweak to your liking. If you're using just your camera, select Camera and click Record. A video recorder will open in a new tab. Hit the record button to begin your recording. Wait for the countdown, then record your Covideo. Once finished, hit stop. If you're happy with your video, click Upload. You'll be brought to a new page with your video that we will get back to in a bit. If you want to use one of the options that includes screen recording, select the option and hit Record. You will be prompted to choose what you want to record. There is a box that gives you the option to record your screen's audio or not. Then click Share. There will be a 3, 2, 1 countdown on your screen before it begins. A small box at the bottom of the screen will show up indicating that the screen is being recorded. Hit Stop Sharing when you are done with your video, and once again, hit Upload if you're happy with your video. Then you will be brought to the same page that we saw before. Quick tip, in the both mode, when recording your screen and camera, you can move your camera box around the screen and resize it for best positioning. This can be done before or during your recording. On this page, you can preview the video you just recorded. Then give the video a title and select the landing page and calls to action you want to use from your account. Under Share Video, there are several options for sending out the video. The Gmail option opens up your Gmail and automatically creates a new email with your video inserted into it. Existing videos can be sent through the extension as well, with access to your library. Clicking on a video will open it in the familiar sharing page. Now we'll take a look at how the extension integrates directly with Gmail. The first thing you may notice is a new Record Video button under the Compose button. Clicking this will allow you to record a video from your webcam, screen, or both directly in your Gmail. After you record your video, you can add a title and select a landing page and calls to action. Clicking Upload will automatically add it to a new email. Additionally, there's a Covideo button when composing a new email or applying to another email that gives direct access to your video library to insert an existing video. When you send a video to someone using the Gmail extension, it will track the recipient's email address and view metrics just like if you sent it from Covideo. However, this only works when sending to a single email address. After you've sent out videos through Gmail, you can check the Activity Sidebar to see your previously sent videos. Here, it will show you if your video message was delivered, opened, and played. Clicking Details will show your activity history with that contact. Reply will open up a new email address to them. And Record will let you send them a new video message. And that is how you use the Covideo Chrome extension. Lots of options, but simple to use.